friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have 5 things to tell to you, that is the 5 mistakes you must avoid while filling your NEET application form for 2019. As you know, November 1st, that is tomorrow, NT is going to start the application form. So here are the 5 things that you must avoid. First is check your spelling. The spelling, first of all, in your name, in your address, in your father name and in your mother name. You must make sure that everything that your spelling is right, and also the date of birth also must be correct. The important thing is, if you realize that if you are going to make mistake, you must wait for the correction window, but never fill an application form, because if you are going to submit more than one application, it will automatically cancel the candidature of your application form. It's a postal address with correct pin code. Home address with your correct pin code should be entered while filling the application form, and also the address must be correct. Contact details also must be correctly given. Next is the offline payment. As you know, the NEET application fee is online, and we have 3 modes of payment, that is debit, credit and net banking and the e-wallet. So friends, offline payment is to demand draft, check or chana will not be accepted under any circumstances. Only after successful payment of the application fee, the candidates will be able to take a printout of the confirmation page. The fourthly is the digital image with right format and size. As you know, you need to upload your signature and a photograph, so make sure the images are clear and legible on a clear white paper with black or blue ball pen. This should not exceed the prescribed size. Also list out another video how to fill your application form. You can click the I button to check it out. Lastly is a wrong qualification code. The minimum academic qualification to appear in the 2019 NEET exam is class 12+. Now, if you belong to the reserve category, the minimum percentage is 40% aggregate, but the minimum score is 15% marks in chemistry, physics and biology subjects. Candidates who have passed the 12th standard from any state open school or National Institute of Open Schooling can apply for the entrance test. The age should be between 17 years and 25 years for the reserve category. 5 mistakes that you must totally avoid while filling your application. Remember, you can do it slowly and carefully. You can submit your application form without any hurry. So take your time, friends, and do it correctly. All the best for filling your application form, friends. And you can also check my other videos which how to fill application form part 1 and part 2. I hope this video was also useful for you. Comment below if you have any more doubts and I will help you out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.